Hey everyone, Diana Alt here for another episode of Tip Tuesday. And today I'm going to talk about one of my very favorite tips to amp up your meaningful networking. And I really love it for introverts. Extroverts can use it too. It's great for everyone, but it's something that hits a lot of the buttons that introverts have concerns about when networking. So, ready for it? It's using voice notes. So, the voice notes feature shows up in almost every social media platform that I've been a part of, like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. And also, most smartphones have this capability inside just their text messaging app. So when you record one or two voice messages, which usually have a limit of a minute, you can convey a lot of information in an informal way that is more intimate than just simply sending a text. But you don't have that pressure of actually talking on the phone. It is time efficient for you, it's time efficient for the listener, and it feels just like a little bit extra over and above a regular text or a regular DM. One of the things I have as a tip for this, if you feel weird about it, is to start off using this with friends or with colleagues. So, maybe you want to do some cold networking with someone at a company that you're interested in, and it sounds scary to use the voice notes feature for that. But perhaps if you want to reconnect with a boss you worked with a couple of years ago, that can feel like a safer way to get started. I have had people approach me with voice notes that I never had interacted with. I had people approach me with them that I know very well, and I'm okay either way, but if you want to get started with the familiar, go ahead and do that. And I find that almost every time I send a voice message, I get something back. I cannot say the same thing when I send a DM or a text message. Those seem to get put off until later because they're not quite as special. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. That is it for this week's Tip Tuesday, and I look forward to seeing you next time.